Hi, this is Sagar here. So today we'll see how to do buffer for the given data. So I have data here. This is the row data here. So I want to make buffer for this road using ArcPy. So today we'll see how we can make how we can make that buffer for the road. So before the first we'll start with import ArcPy. I can change the properties first. So I'll go for the font first and make big. So okay. So now I'm going to import the ArcPy package. Import ArcPy. So I'll use that buffer analysis tool. So that I'll start with package ArcPy dot buffer. So you can get the suggestions. So you can select the buffer analysis. Next, I have to give. You can see this is the parameters I have to give. Input feature, output feature. After that, before distance, I have to give. So I'll give first one as a rule. I can drag it. Otherwise, simply I can. If I go for the bracket, it will suggest me rows. I have to, for the next parameter, I have to go for the comma. And I have to select the output feature class. So output feature class name can be string. So I can give buffer roads. And third parameter I have to give as a distance. So I'll give one in a single quotations 10 meters. I have completed the string. And last, these are the remaining are the optional parameters like site and all these things. If I want to give, I can give it just like comma. I can give full like that. It will suggest you. It will. You have to give it. I'll make. I'll stop the bracket, and now I can click enter. So after a few seconds, it will give the output. So you can see here the full round of the planner. Started time is starting time and ending time. So our buffer is completed. So we can zoom it and we can see. So this is the buffer. So using our ArcPy, we can do easily buffer analysis. Thanks. Thanks for watching my videos.